still on the ground. It is really ripping. It is probably right now about half a mile to 3/4 of a mile from crossing Sooner Road. So it's on Sooner Road. If everybody's got a map, you can kind of see that bend in there. That bend is for the annex. The lake right next to Stanley Draper. It's coming right along this way. It looks like it's on track if it stays right here eastbound to go right through the center of Hefner Lake. Just get the skid out of the shot there. But you can see this thing is grinding, it's ripping, and we're getting power flashes all the way down to like 149th Street here. So this thing, it might have weakened just momentarily, recycled, but it's back down on the ground and it is grinding. As you can see from our shot, it's probably an eighth of a mile away there from crossing Sooner Road. So Sooner Road, 134th Street. It's fixed to gravel cross, and it's going to come into the pretty much vacant land as it comes to
Monster.
the next part of the bank. It heads right towards Draper and Tinker Air Force Base. They're like sitting right down the base.
Oh, it's terrible.